Leo was a curious and adventurous boy who lived in a small village surrounded by hills and forests. Every day after school, he loved to explore the countryside, dreaming of discovering hidden treasures and secret places. One sunny afternoon, while wandering further than he ever had before, he stumbled upon an old, narrow path leading into a dense, mysterious forest. "Wow, I've never seen this path before," Leo said to himself, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He decided to follow it, wondering what secrets it might hold. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and their branches intertwined, creating a canopy that dimmed the sunlight. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers and the soft chirping of birds. Suddenly, Leo heard a faint cry for help. "Help! Help!" the voice called out. Leo followed the sound and soon found a small fairy trapped under a fallen branch. The fairy's wings were delicate and shimmering, but they were pinned down by the heavy wood. "Don't worry, I'll help you," Leo exclaimed, rushing to lift the branch. With a great effort, he managed to free the fairy. The fairy fluttered her wings and flew up, her tiny face glowing with gratitude. "Thank you so much, brave boy. My name is Luna. You've saved me from being stuck here forever," she said, her voice soft and melodious. "I'm Leo. It's nice to meet you, Luna. But what happened to you?" Leo asked. Luna explained, "This forest is magical, but recently, something terrible has been happening. The enchantment that protects this place is fading, and the creatures living here are losing their powers. We need to find the source of this problem and fix it before it's too late." Leo's heart swelled with determination. "I'll help you, Luna. Together, we can save the forest." Luna smiled and led Leo through the forest. They encountered many magical creatures along the way, talking animals, enchanted plants, and even a wise old tree who told them stories of the forest's past. Each creature shared their worries about the fading magic and offered their support to Leo and Luna. After a long journey, they reached the heart of the forest where a majestic, ancient tree stood. This tree was the source of the forest's magic. However, its leaves were wilting, and its bark was cracked. "The magic is almost gone," Luna whispered sadly. Leo approached the tree and saw a small, dark stone embedded in its trunk. He felt a strange, powerful energy emanating from it. "This stone must be the cause," he exclaimed. "But how do we remove it?" Luna flew closer to the stone and examined it carefully. "It's a dark enchantment. Only someone with a pure heart and a brave spirit can break it," she said, looking at Leo meaningfully. Leo took a deep breath and placed his hand on the stone. He closed his eyes and focused all his thoughts on his love for the forest and his desire to help its inhabitants. Slowly, he felt the stone growing warmer under his touch. With a final surge of determination, he pulled the stone free from the tree. A burst of light erupted from the tree, and the entire forest was bathed in a golden glow. The tree's leaves turned green again, and its bark healed. The magic was restored. "You did it, Leo!" Luna cheered, her wings sparkling brighter than ever. "You saved the forest." All the creatures of the forest gathered around Leo, thanking him and celebrating the return of their enchantment. Leo felt a deep sense of happiness and fulfillment. As the sun began to set, Luna flew to Leo's shoulder. "You are a true hero, Leo. Always remember that courage and kindness can overcome any challenge." Leo smiled and nodded. "I'll never forget this adventure. And I'll always be ready to help those in need." With that, Leo and Luna said their goodbyes, and Leo made his way back home, carrying with him the wonderful memories of the magical forest and its inhabitants. He knew that he had made a difference and learned valuable lessons about bravery, kindness, and believing in oneself. And so, Leo continued to explore and help others, always remembering that even the smallest acts of courage and kindness could lead to the greatest adventures.